For some people, most embarrassing thing is laughing, sneezing, or coughing. Why so? Because they can't hold their urine while doing this. There is a urine leakage. This we call stress incontinence of urine, and it is very common among women. This happens because the muscles supporting your bladder, that is the pelvic floor muscles, getting weak. This weakening can occur due to hormonal changes like low estrogen levels, especially during menopause. It can also happen during pregnancy because the uterus puts a pressure over the bladder, and after childbirth or as you age because of the natural weakening of pelvic floor muscles. Obesity is also one of the causes. To prevent this, do practice yoga or pelvic floor muscle strengthening exercises like Kegels exercise, and of course consult a doctor if needed.